If you're trying to figure out how to actually make money with AI going to 2026, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 AI skills that are not just popular, but genuinely useful. Skills that businesses are already paying for today and will need even more in 2026. I'm speaking from experience. For the past 2 years, I've been running an AI automation agency. I've taught thousands of people how to build AI systems, and I've personally generated hundreds of thousands of dollars using these exact skills. So this isn't just theory. This is what's working right now in real world. Now, right now, AI feels overwhelming. New tools are coming out constantly. Most people feel like they're always behind. They watch videos, save links, and consume content, but very few people actually build something they could sell. In 2026, knowing about AI won't be rare. What will be rare is knowing how to use AI to solve real business problems. Now, businesses don't pay for curiosity, they pay for solutions. So let's jump into these 3 skills that will actually matter in 2026, and more importantly, why they matter. The first skill is vibe coding. Vibe coding doesn't mean becoming a software engineer. It means learning how to build simple front ends that sit on top of AI systems. Things like dashboards, forms, internal tools, and lightweight apps. This matters because AI by itself often feels abstract. When AI only exists in a chat window, it feels experimental. But when you wrap it in a simple interface, it starts to feel like a real product. The moment someone can click on something, test it, and see it work, their trust changes. Businesses don't want ideas, they want something they can interact with. And this is the key point with vibe coding. You're not selling code, you're selling clarity. You're giving AI a shape that alone dramatically increases perceived value. But a front end by itself isn't enough. A button still needs to do something, and that leads directly into second skill. The second skill is AI automation, especially using an end-to-end. Now, automation is what turns AI from something impressive into something dependable. This is where AI stops being a demo and starts becoming a system. With automation, you learn how to connect emails, forms, CRMs, databases, APIs, and AI models into workflows that run on their own. This is how businesses actually use AI day to day. Businesses don't want one-off answers. They want processes that save time every single day without breaking. They want systems that keep working even when no one is watching. And this is why AI automation is so valuable. It's not about being smart, it's about being consistent. Automation is what makes AI useful at scale. But even automation has a ceiling if it never touches the outside world, which brings us to the third skill, voice AI. Now, voice AI is one of the most practical ways AI connects directly to revenue. Every business deals with phone calls, sales calls, support calls, appointment booking, follow-ups, and most of those calls are handled inefficiently. Voice AI can answer calls, qualify leads, book appointments, and support customers automatically. And because it talks directly to real customers, the value is immediately obvious. When AI can speak to customers, it's no longer abstract. It's no longer a nice to have. It's tied directly to time saved and money made. This is why voice AI is so powerful going into 2026. It solves a clear problem, and it's easy for businesses to justify paying for it. Now, here's the important part. Individually, each of these skills is useful, but together, they're what actually make you valuable. Vibe coding gives you a front end, automation gives you a reliable engine, voice AI gives you real-world interaction. So when you stack them together, you can build complete system, not just ideas, not just demos, but working solutions businesses can use immediately. This is the difference between learning AI as a hobby and using AI as a tool to generate income. But most people don't fail with AI because it's too hard. They fail because learning alone is scattered. They jump between videos, copy half-built workflows, and never see a full picture. To be clear, you can learn all of this on YouTube. It's possible, but it usually takes 10 times longer because everything is fragmented and unstructured. That's exactly why I've built my community. Inside, we focus especially on these 3 skills going into 2026. You'll find structured beginner, intermediate, and advanced courses are end-to-end in AI automation. You'll find a full voice AI course with Retail AI, which is the best voice AI platform in the market right now, from setup to deployment, and with the opportunity to become an official Retail Voice AI certified partner that you could be listed on their website, so that way you can get in front of clients and have that credibility. You'll also find vibe coding courses that show you how to build real front ends connected to automation backends that businesses are actually looking for. And there's an AI agency track designed to help you land your first clients in about 90 days. Everything is practical, everything is structured, and everything is designed to help you move faster without guessing. So if you want to stack these skills the right way and learn them much faster, the link is going to be in the description. I'll hopefully see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.